Hello, this is Carter. Well, hello, this is me, Car, and Chris. Today we're cleaning an engine.
Yes. We're going to show you guys how.
Let's do it! Get yourself a vacuum and you put it over your intake system, right? Just like that. And just make sure no water or anything gets over here. And if you really want to be a pro about it, bag creases. You put a rubber band over it. I'm not gonna do that because I don't do that. But anyways, then you get your cleaner. And you spray everything liberally. If your cleaner is strong enough, you don't have to scrub. But if it's not strong enough, you can scrub it. Also depends how dirty your engine is as well.
Come on. Wow, lots of spraying.
Then you grab your power washer or hose and spray it from a distance.
How far away is the distance?
Probably about 4 feet,
Okay.
3-4 feet, depending on how comfortable you get. Sometimes I have to get that close, but don't recommend it. Another quick tip, if you're spraying it off, make sure you spray the everywhere you got your degrease from, so it doesn't hurt the paint. In this case, right. This is why you use a rubber band. Don't get any water on it. Highly recommended, don't get any water. Or on it. This is why hurricanes are dangerous. Water is very powerful. It even blows off your back when you're trying to clean your engine. And now I'll show you once it's dried off. Anyways, guys, how you doing? So we let the motor dry for a little bit. Engine heat kind of dried it up, and that's kind of how it looks. It looks like it's dirty, but it's actually not dirty. That's just from wear and tear and abuse and all the other stuff. This customer doesn't want it dressed, but I'll actually send you, we'll post a picture of an engine that's actually dressed right here. And that's it. So if you have any questions, comment below, or yeah, if you have any questions, throw your comments in the comment section? That is a comment section, yeah. Throw them in the comment section. And then let me know if you guys clean your engines, or do you even have ever touched your motor? Although I know a ton of car dudes that never ever touch their motors. So let us know in the comment below if you like a clean engine or not, or why you don't clean your motor, or why even do you clean it. Like if you like this content, and subscribe if you really like the content.